The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Yeah, that's it, Thursday. Hope everyone had a great night and ready for a great day. Thursday. Let's see what the markets have been doing. Not much, really. Big gap down at the open and then back up. ES got down to 45.81. And the high was around 45.93, so just about 12 points in range. And NQ 817 was its low, its high. 925, so a little over 100 points in range. Give me 1 second. And Kappa at its high day right now, about 140 ticks of range. Gold trying to get up to 2000, got up to 1989, very good year. About an 11-point range. Ultra Bond, tight range, only about 3/4 of a point. Crude oil, also tight, only about 64 ticks of range. Natural gas been going up slowly all night. Bitcoin back above 30K, so that's where we sit. Stay there, whatever body posture you choose to take. And Q popping back up here, sitting at about 15,871. ES 45.90. Dow's been, looks like Dow's been moving down as NQ's been moving up. Kind of looks like ES has been as well. ES and Dow look similar NQ's been the outlier lately. Morning, JC. How you doing? How's the trading been going? Popping up on NQ. Watching the rise. It was red yesterday on Blue Sky by 370 or something like that. But after stream, I did very well on Apex. I ended up about 590. No. Well, no. About 1,600 away on Apex, about 2,300 away on Blue Sky. The Apex is actually their 100K static. Excuse me, sorry. Usually I mute before I cough. Didn't have a chance. Pull one back again here a little bit. NQ. Everything's kind of in sync now. We have news this morning. I forgot about news. Let's see. We know we have, it's Thursday, so we know we have jobless claims. It's all good. Yeah, U.S. initial jobless claims, U.S. Philly Fed Business Index at 8:30, and then at 10 o'clock, U.S. existing home sales and Eurozone consumer confidence. Hey, Matt. Wow, so you found a way to trade and get on YouTube? Ah, okay, cool. It's even better. Pulling down from this purple candle here. Now 5 points, nothing to write home about. You know, I think that would mess with my head more than just being at one place all 5 days. I don't know. Morning, Robin. How is Texas today? Wow, that's well, at least you're getting your exercise in, Matt. We kind of in a holding pattern for now, right meow. I'm sitting on VWAP and the 100 EMA. Reminder, folks, if you're gonna think you're gonna enjoy today's stream, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm to say you like me, you really, really like me. Little bounce. Tries to come back up. Yes, down to 45.87 half. Breaking the 100, breaking the view up. Gold is very choppy. Ultra bond, the Treasuries market's open in less than 2 minutes. See if it goes anywhere. Remember, we got news coming up in about 11 minutes. Or 12. Crude oil's also choppy this morning. Looking like it wants to head up. Slow right now. Probably until after the news. After the news. So one person won the $1 billion Powerball last night. One person from California. I'm down to the 20 at 15,857 here. See if it breaks or bounces. Breaks or bounces. Sounds like a good name for a trading song. 45.87 on ES. Juan Fernandez. See, recently subscribed like 12 minutes ago. Welcome if you're here in the stream. Feel free to say hello in the chat. If you feel like it, no pressure. Break of the 20 here. Pushing down. Hopefully we have less of a choppy morning. I'll be watching the other assets. Yesterday, NQ is just hard to trade. ES and Dow is much smoother. Apex Trader Funding Summer Sale is still going on until July 31st. Remember, you can have up to 20 accounts. Look at those prices. A 50K account, just $33. 300K account, just $131. Add $2 per account if you want Tradovate instead of Rhythmic. Check the link in Nightbot being posted in the chat or in the video description below. Get in before the 31st. Not that there won't be another sale sometime after that, but still, get in before the 31st. As we sit and wait. We wait about 5 minutes ago before news starts spreading the news. We're trading today. Action. Not much moving here yet. Ooh, gold just dropped. It dropped there in gold all of a sudden. 3 points. Ultra bond. Not really moving much there on its open. Gold really got a little push down. Copper coming down as well. And Q bouncing back up here. Well, nothing so far in the first half hour of the stream. Hopefully things will pick up. Not hardly moving right now, so. But news in 45 seconds. Hopefully that'll give us a bump up or down, left or right. Upside down. Return me. Ooh, big burst down there on the news. And by big, I mean all of, well, it was 15 points. Quick burst down, trying to come right back up. Let's see what the numbers are. U.S. initial jobless claims 228K. They expected 240K, so that was a beat. U.S. Philly Fed Business Index, negative 13.5. They expected negative 10, so that was a slight miss. Next news is at 10 Eastern. Market still doesn't seem to know what it wants to do with its life. What do you want to do with your life? I want to rock. Want to rock. Still not really exciting here at all. Purple candle, 1.5 minutes on it yet. Maybe we'll take it. Let's see what we want to do here. Let me find my chart. I got my chart. Let's pull it back up here, so watch. Q's been strong this whole week, but this first day it's looked a little bit weak. Really gapped down at the open. The evening open. This candle's down 11.5. We're short. Wow, got 3 ticks of slippage as soon as I entered the trade. Pops back up by like 3 points. It comes down for us. Hang in here. 15,849. Come on. Drop a little bit. Drop it. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Doesn't like me singing. It's going against me. Yep. Crawling back up to the top of the trigger candle. See if it bounces. It's hitting the 20 on the 1 minute, so yeah, there's a bounce. See if it comes back down. That's the direction I like. There we go. Hey, John, how you doing? Oh, there we go. There we go. Now we're cooking with gas. Trading going well so far, John? And how did your son's baseball game go? He's struggling here. Can it get through? Yes, yes it can. Target hit. Boom, $200 win. That's a good way to start the morning. So we got in at 15,846.75, added at 15,836.75. Oh wow, 670. Nice job, John. Nice. And it only went down another 1.5 before bouncing. I did get worried there because it did turn against me by over 7 points at one point, but worked out. Yeah, it does seem like you do better pre-market. It's pushing back down. Oh, 1 for 1 this morning. Hopefully that's a sign of good things to come. Continues to push down now. Let's see. I'm still not following my planned strategy of going for 2 to 1 based on the trigger candle. Let's see if I should have here. Still only been going for 10 quick points. Let's see. Would not have reached a 2 to 1 target yet. But it looks like it's almost there. Matter of fact, yep, now it has. So I could have got 20 points out of that instead of 10, based on the strategy that I'm supposed to be using. Breaking through down below. Big fall here, down to 15,823. Let's low a day. We are low a day 817, so we're just about there. ES also falling here. Its low is 45.81 even. So it's about 3 points away from there. Continuing this drop. Just a delayed reaction. Fed swaps price in higher odds of another rate hike in July. Maybe that's it. FOMC is next week. Ouch, that really sucks, John. Any idea if the kid that showed up late had any good excuse or just didn't care? Kid better get some better time and calendar managing skills, or he's going to struggle in life. Bouncing here. So got down, didn't get down to the low of the day, but got close. Got down to 819, but bounced back up to 831. And he's totally done with baseball, right? Just kind of hanging out now, waiting for our next opportunity. Purple candle on the 1. It's enticing where it's at, but I'm not going to take it. ES down to 45.84. See, Ultra Bond made a new low a day. Gold made a new low a day. Copper. Crude's all yucky. Official trading term. Yucky. Russell also falling back. Waiting. It's looking like it wants to bounce back up, but we'll see. We shall see. As we're about 40 minutes until the bell. It's at o'clock. We have more news. We have Eurozone consumer confidence flash and U.S. existing home sales. Tomorrow looks like we barely have any news. We have Canadian retail sales, and that's it. Very slow day tomorrow. Kind of balancing here around 15,830. 45.84 half on ES. Trying to bounce up. Not gaining much traction yet, though. It's getting up to the 20 on the 1-minute chart, which is sitting at 836. Bounces off there again. It's kind of meandering up. Y'all got very quiet. I thank everyone for joining me today. Remember, always feel free to say hello in the chat. Questions and comments are always welcome. Tomorrow we find out when the new prop firm's going to launch. Okay, there's a move up. Trying to break that 20 on the 1-minute chart. Hello, Alex. It's called My Funded Futures. It's their they have a history. They have a huge forex prop firm, and now they're coming in the futures. And they look like they might be exciting. They basically already told Top Step right out that compared to them, Top Step's a small fry. They have a lot of money to back this venture. They said they'll be end of day, but they're also listening on other suggestions. Other than that, I don't know. They asked yesterday. They're actually taking uh, suggestions from people, and they asked a question yesterday that would people be happy with a higher profit target if there was no consistency rule. I'm not sure if tomorrow they're announcing any of the details or if they're just announcing when they plan on launching. I know they said on Twitter that they were going to launch earlier, but the Top Step changes made them rethink a few things. So I thought that was interesting. But yeah, they're huge. Like their Discord for their Forex prop is 61,000 members. They have 75,000 followers on Twitter for their Forex, and their futures Twitter already has more followers than any of the current futures prop firms besides Top Step, and that's without even being launched. Well, I will say, Matt, that they told Top Step that they're the small fry when the Top Step employee claimed to be hacked, was in there bashing them, and they were just responding back. Now they have attacked Top Step and Apex on Twitter, but not really attacked. Just the CEO says he likes playful banter. Oh yeah, that Casey from Top Step went in there, started attacking them on the on their own Discord, and then had Dolby when he forgot the fact that people could, because he used a fake name, but he forgot the fact that people could right click on his profile and see that he's also Casey from Top Step. So after he was found out, Dolby came in claiming that Casey was hacked. And that's the oldest trick in the book. Say something that you then feel ashamed of or get caught at, and quickly say you are hacked. That is like the oldest trick in the book. It was bullcrap. How is Apex compared to them? I don't. I mean, Apex has a terrible social media presence, so it's hard to compare. Like, in that sense, I mean, and obviously I don't know financials of either company. I think they could give Apex a run for their money, but it seems like they're not going to do the deep discounts like Apex and Volanox do. So I'm not sure. Honestly, right now you have two classes of prop firms. Purple candle coming back down here just at about 30 seconds to the top of the hour. You have the ones that basically keep you on live sim, like the Apex, the Volanox, Tick Tick, etc. And then you have the others like Earn a Trade, Top Step's kind of in the middle now. Earn a Trade and One Up and Trade Day, etc. And it seems like this new prop's gonna be kind of in the middle of those two. That's just the impression I'm getting. Top Step's kind of moved in the middle of those two as well, trying to find the best of both worlds. So it's gonna be interesting. So top of the hour, energies markets open. Crude trying to push up toward a tie day. Been a great day for natural gas. Morning, Philip. I mean, honestly, I think it's going to be great for the whole industry because it's pulling people from Forex into futures. And then those people, they're going to be first be loyal to my funded futures because they've had experience with my funded FX, their Forex company. But they're also going to get exposed then to the other futures companies. And I think it can be kind of the rising tide raises all ships type of thing. I think. But we shall see. Yeah, I've heard that. How deep do they usually? Okay. Oh, well. I guess futures have a little bit more uh, uh, expenses for the company than forex does, because they actually, data fees and stuff like that that the company has to pay. So I'm not sure we're going to see that as deep at discounts, but we might. I don't know. I mean, I don't know what forex uh, plans usually go for. I've never really checked out forex prop firms. So, okay, 30 to 50%. Okay, yeah. That's kind of what I was thinking that they were going to be at. They're not. I don't think you're going to see them do the crazy 80 and 90% things that Apex and Bolinox do and Lilu. It's interesting that they're willing to poke the bear that is Apex and Top Step as they get ready to launch. Apex, I Daryl Martin is a good businessman. He knows what he's doing, and I think he's probably crafting a response now, and I would not be surprised if we see an end of day drawdown plans coming out on Apex. I don't know anything. I'm not saying that that's going to happen, but it just wouldn't surprise me because he's talked about it in the past, and it could be something he's kept kind of in case of emergency break glass type of thing, where he wasn't going to launch end of day unless there was a need to. I mean, it's just all conjecture on my part, just thoughts. Right. So that's why, I don't think, if my funded futures is gonna run similar to my funded FX, I don't think they're gonna be able to go, as deep of a discount and all that because you got to pay the Tradovate fees. They're going with Tradovate. So you got to pay the Tradovate fees. You got to pay, so on and so forth. Drop in here. I was thinking about taking that purple candle. I didn't, and I should have. It hasn't come down 10 points yet, but we'll see. Yeah, Daryl is very good. And the thing is, now that Top Step's finally woken up from its years-long slumber where it lost its number one position in the market, they're no dummy either. And I think, you know, I I think it's going to be interesting to see what happens. And again, the other thing I'm wondering as we watch this drop here is, will this be the start of other forex prop firms entering into the future space? And then the question starts being asked is, how many big firms can the space hold without starting to see attrition? Are we going to start seeing a consolidation at some point, or is there going to be a firm that ends up not being able to sustain? I don't know the answer to that. Without obviously, I don't know the financial aspects of any of these companies. So I think this is going to be. I think the next few months is going to be very interesting. Well, I mean, some of them are real money. I mean, like trade day, they immediately put you on a live account. I mean, like earn the trade puts you on a live account after X amount of money. Um, the thing is, the thing I think is stupid. We call them evaluations or combines, but none of them really evaluate your trading. I mean, reaching a profit target is not evaluating your trading. I mean, it's like I don't know. It just I don't like none of these none of these prop firms, as they're called, they don't evaluate a trader like a real prop firm is sitting on Wall Street in New York would. As long as you read your profit target, you're guaranteed funded. Even though you could be an absolutely atrocious trader and get there by accident, or in some cases you get there by YOLO. It's not an evaluation. It's just get to the profit target. And yeah, the thing is, if obviously if a prop came out with, and this would have hit my target if I would taken it, but if a prop came out with stricter rules or a stricter eval, obviously they wouldn't get any business. I'd say shouldn't say stricter rules, but in my opinion, if you want to get funded, you should have to be able to show not just a 30% consistency, but like to me an eval should be over 1 month. Show that you not only you can stay green, but also that you can have more green days than red days. Like and something like that. I'm not even sure exactly, but it just seems like none of this is a real evaluation of your trading, especially those ones that have consistency rules like earn a trade, and then like you can hit your target in 4 days, and then you got to open and close a micro for 11 days because they have a 15-day rule. That doesn't show anything about your trading. That doesn't show. It doesn't help the prop firm in any way. It doesn't show the prop firm that nothing opening and closing a micro for 11 days. It's ridiculous. And we're bouncing back up here. So we're sitting at 15.826 half. ES has fallen down to 45.82. But obviously, all these companies have figured out the fact that they're going to make money hand over fist with this type of this type of setup. We're about 20 minutes from the bell. So yeah, I think the prop space is going to be fun, and over the next few months, and see how things shake out. Hoping that now that Top Step woke up, hoping Earn the Trade wakes up. I really like Earn the Trade because I like the people, especially the Discord people, and they've helped me out in the past. So I'd really like to see Earn the Trade become more popular again, but they're so set in their ways that right now they're not doing crap, to put it frankly. Pushing down here. New lows today, by the way, 813. ES also at low a day now at 45.8025. And Matt, your comment there about it being a video game. Yep, I agree, and that's the thing. Look how addicted people get to video games. I mean, not, addicted may not be the right word, but you get intensely focused on wanting to beat the game. And just like the game, the video game companies know this. That's why all these mobile games have ways you can spend little amounts of money to buy stuff in the game and all that. And the prop firm companies have figured it out as well. Exactly. And that's also why I think they, I just talk about earn a trade. You know, the TCP Trader Career Path, became their most popular product really quick, and it's the one thing that's kept them in the conversation. And it's because it's kind of, when you think about a video game-ish like levels. You want to level up, start at 50K, level up to the 100K, level up to the 200K. Nice, Borneo. Oil moving. Ooh, oil moved. Well, new high day there, up to 75.95. And look at natural gas. Natural gas having one of its best days in a while. Gold did bounce. Copper not bouncing though, it's coming down. And Ultramont made another new low day. If you did, G, good morning. Good call on the natural gas. EQ trying to bounce here after getting down to 805. How's Florida today, G? That's kind of what I expected. Eight, less than 15 minutes till the bell. We haven't heard from Ace yet. No RJ yet either. Haven't seen Crypticon today. Andrew Gibson's been missing for days. Nice little bounce. So I'm a little upset with myself. I looked at this gold. This here is, no pun intended, my golden setup right here. Blue pool, lava pool, blue candle. Almost always, is that those three things hit, it's going up. And you can see here, it's gone up 4 points since what would have been the entry on that trade. And I mean, the entry was there on the second blue candle as well. You know, that would have been good as well. You know, these setups don't come around often with the two. You can see here's another one. Blue pool, you know, pool of lava, blue candle, and that led to that. Little tiny blue pool, pool of lava, that led to that. Blue pool, lava, small, well, you can see it's like a, it does, like I said, it doesn't happen a lot. Here we go, here's another, 2 in a row. Boom, and boom. Another one, boom, boom. It's like, I gotta do some back testing on it, but this weekend. But it seems like it's a very, very high percentage play. Yeah, IQ dropped harsh at the evening open last night. Awesome, G. Good luck on that. Private eye. Bouncing up. RJ, he's in Florida near Tampa, I believe. Wow, that's a big fall. You mean the teams or the Rays, the Lightning? Big move up here, back up to 15,827. Oh yeah, I forgot the Buccaneers. That was a long time ago. I wasn't even born then. Morning Burrow. A nice rise up here, 14-point candle. As we're 5 minutes, 6 minutes to the bell. Ace is still missing. Hopefully he didn't fall in the trail and his dogs decide to leave him for dead. So NQ trying to show some strength here, and all the indices are kind of bouncing as we head toward the bell. Let's see what we get after the bell. It's been a down night, somewhat. I mean, ES started down, came back up, almost back up to the to top, and then came back down. Now it's that low day. NQ is more depressed than ES. There's Ace. Just in time, Ace. Oh, Ace, I've been meaning to ask you a question. How did you end up with two profiles on Discord? Yeah, there's two different accounts in the Discord with your name. One says it was created August 9th, 2021, and one says it was created May 19th, 2022. Yep, I noticed it the other day. I'm like, hey, we got two aces. And yep, 2 minutes to go. NQ's gotten back up to its 20 EMA here. It's actually where this I would be entering on this candle if it wasn't right at the bell. Are they down right now? G. Carvana went all hot yesterday. Got up to 60 in after hours. Or before that, actually, I think. Yeah, it got actually before after hours. It got up to 62. What's Tesla doing? Tesla's been depressed the last couple days. We'll see. With the current actor strike, isn't it gonna be hard for Netflix to really find some footing? Ooh, Dow rising up huge here right before the bell. 46.47 points. 50 points. Wow, look at Dow explode right before the bell. Ding, 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 ding. And Q pops up by 10. Dow's continuing to head up. ES is heading up towards 100 EMA. Up 3 points since the bell. I should have taken the long. I thought about it. I'll have to study that one too. Anywho, yeah, quick move up to 15,849, but pulls right back. And back up. And back. And up and back and up and back. It approached 100 and VWAP, which is entangled here. It's shying away from it. Ain't no Sid Chase yet this morning either. I need to start taking attendance. Strong candle now, 27 points, 28, 30. And that's with Tesla showing a red candle. So we're up 30 points here. We're up 35 now on NQ. We're up 4 points on ES, 45.88. Ultra Bond not really doing much. Crude oil, big boom on crude, up to 76. Nice bounce there on gold, but pulling back a bit. We're seeing copper come down. Agriculture, kind of mixed. Ooh, wow. 44 points now on NQ. I did not. I very rarely trade an opening candle, but I think I need to start doing that more. Morning, Bruce. How are you today? John, did you catch it? Yeah, you don't really want to touch oil, John. It gets all over your hands, so hard to get off. Got to use special cleansers. ES up 8 points. Back up to, I think, might be at high day. ES trying to get up to high day. High day is 45.93. It's at 45.91. Nice, John. Awesome. So you're having a really good day because you're already up a bunch before that. And Q trying to get 50 points on this candle. ES still going, still rocking. I'm going to assume Ace took a trade here, but ooh, I'll have to wait. Dow up 75 points on that opening candle. NQ pulled back a little bit, finished up by 35. And ES finished up 6.5 on that opening 5. Pull back here, though. We saw NQ pull back about 10 points. Dow still green, ES, Doji, NQ red. There's Sid. Good morning, Sid. Were you up burning the midnight oil again? Yes, hanging at 45.90, trying to decide if it wants to continue up. Dow just deciding to continue up without consulting anybody. Would make sense, G. There goes NQ up. Oh wow, Sid. I don't know where you get all your energy from. ES trying to push up here more. NQ's in this undecided. Breathe, John. Unfortunately, we can't grab them all. Russell's not liking today. Russell's totally opposite of the rest. Russell's dying. Lean Hog's up big though. ES back up to 45.93. Dow hanging just under 35,400. That's awesome, John. I love hearing that. And Q really unsure what it wants to do here. ES up to 45.93 quarter. Pull back a little bit from there. On the 1 minute chart on NQ, we've had 2, 3, 4, 5 out of the last 7 candles have been red, but kind of sideways overall. Seeing some red on the ES. Dow's kind of leveling off right under 35,400. Popping on VWAP there on for NQ. Excellent job, G. ES trying to pop back up. A blue candle trying. Just struggling to get back up to the high there of 885 half of that candle, high of that candle. It's almost tricked me into grabbing, going long a couple of times, and it wouldn't have worked out, at least not yet. Let's try it again. Now it's running. Up to 887. Yes, kind of hemming and hawing, and the Dow's giving me a purple candle. Hey, Imad. Good to see ya. Yep, one trade so far for 10 points on NQ. Big boom up here on NQ up to 15,892. Yep, just one trade so far. It's a green one. I didn't take that blue candle because we're into the bands. It could still go up, but I didn't trust it. We'll see if I was wrong. And maybe after this way this is pulling back, if it comes back up, we might grab it anyway. Big candle, 22 pointer. Yes, I mean, well, I am back to showing green, or blue technically, but green candle. And not a lot. I'm at right here is jobless. Started moving down some. So yeah, it did some. But now we're bouncing back up. We'll see if that's a sustained move for the day or if it's just a temporary move. It was actually a short off the jobless claims candle that I got my 10-point winner. So down to 880 on this candle. Pulled back by about 9 points. That'll make RJ very happy. NQ continuing to fall here. ES still showing green. Ace, he's still in. Care to share what your entry was, Ace? Seeing more green here. Long, thing found some. I went long as it got back up to the top of that last candle. It may be a mistake. Let's see. Seems like it got slippage there too. I think I'm gonna get back my winning here. It was a blue candle, so that was part of my strategy. But it looks like it's gonna bite me, trying to get in there and coming back down for me. Maybe I should have went long on the Dow. Should have actually been looking at the 1 minute. 1 minute would have been better. Nice ace. You're close to 10 points. And they've been looking for a 10-point runner lately. Oh, maybe. Maybe. Hey, there, green. Or it was for all of half a second. There we go. As a representation of the bovine family, I say we don't really like being held by the horns. 45.94.25 is new high on ES. And Q's hanging right around my entry. New candle coming down. That's not making me that stopped out. Okay, so now I'm back to being down on the day by commission, $11.16. So 2 steps forward, 2 steps back. It came down, stopped me out, and now we're back to giving me a blue candle. I would be in profit now. Can only blame myself. Didn't move the stop. Kept it at 10 points when it's technically not my strategy. My risk averseness once again biting my butt. Not even sure that's a word, averseness. Might be. Hey, Antonio, good to see you. Yeah, we kind of paused here. ES red, Dow slightly red on these candles. Gold bouncing after a big move down. Wow. Gold dropped 6.5 there. Ultra bond new daily low. Crude pushing back down. Yep, we do have news in a little over 6 minutes. Agriculture not really giving me an entry. Definitely seems to be running in a roadblock on the indices of this area. And Q did come down again, so where I got stopped was probably the better stop. You're still slightly green now on Dow, up to 35,424. Dow's is continuing to roll, as RJ said. ES bopping, 45.92 half. Waiting to find something I like. Oh, nice iMac. Congratulations. I think I need to start paying more attention to the Dow. I think I need to take some trades on it. Of course, the last time I said that about the Dow and I really started concentrating on it, then it was like choppy for the next 2 days. It's like I'm a curse. NQ down to the VWAP. VWAP. Trying to break VWAP. So NQ coming down. ES pulling back. I assume you've gotten out. Ace. Just an assumption. Dow continuing to rise up. NQ breaks the in one candle it breaks the VWAP, the 100, and the 20 all at once. ES back down to its 100. So NQ got up to 895, has pulled back 50 points. Oh yeah, I forgot about the news. Oops. That might be one reason. Let's go take a gander. U.S. existing home sales, actually, there we go. U.S. existing home sales, 4.16 million. They expected 4.21 million. So that was a miss. Eurozone consumer confidence, negative 15.1. They expected negative 15.8. So it's a slight beat. Wow, it has moved down. Good luck on that, G. Bouncing a bit here. ES struggling to get through its 100 EMA. NQ's already through it, but it's also bouncing some. Bounced up by about 10 points. Nice ace. Hey, Jay. Big, up, there we go. Back down. Down 35 points on this candle. ES down to 45.87. Dow down 5 on this candle. Dow strung like bull. Purple candle on the 1 on that last candle. I'm watching it. And if it gives it to me, I might take it. Maybe not. Short. Nope. I got it. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh. Wow. That close? Wow. Got within 2 ticks of my target and then bounced back up. There we go. It's not filling me. Hey, why is it not filling me? Oh, there again, that delay on the fill. I mean, granted, I would have been good if it had never filled me and I could have got the extra 10 points. But there we go. There's another win. So, gain a win, lose a, take a win, take a loss, take a win. $8.21 out of $8.11. And bouncing. The Tradovate's still laggy when the volume's up. Pump up the volume. ES still coming down here. And Dow's still not really showing much weakness. It's pulled back by a whole 10 points. $50 compared to, $1,800 on the NQ. Tesla having a really bad day. Down like $7. Just part of what's fueling this move down. Crude oil having a good day. It's popping back up. Ultravon not having a good day either. Not either. NQ starting to push down there. Dow's starting to show some red. RJ, thoughts? As Dow reached its high, is it going to fall with the rest of them here? As NQ is about to break 15,800. This is low a day for NQ. Yes, not quite a low a day, which was at 79.25. As IMAD said, a 90-point drop on the NQ so far. So it's bouncing again there. Natural gas storage coming up in 20 minutes. Natural gas has been having a wonderful day. Be interested to see whether storage kills that or not. Gold dropping, big drop. But if we look at the 15-minute chart on the Dow, this blue candle was my perfect entry based on my strat, and that went great. I haven't heard of anybody having any problems, Ninja. Anybody else having problems with Rhythmic? Which firm? Crypt. And we broke 800 here on NQ. Did you check Blue Sky's Discord, Crypt, to see whether or not anyone else is saying anything there? Yeah, new low a day on gold. Platinum and silver are looking depressed as well, and so is wheat. And I meant to grab that wheat, and I totally forgot about it. Yep, Dow is not dying like the other two. I mean, it's been slightly red these last couple candles, but what's the Russell doing? Oh, wow, look at the Russell. Lean hogs are having a good day. Cattle, not bad either. Bitcoin's still holding 30K. There's a bounce again on NQ. So I'm 2 for 3 on the morning so far. We're up 183. Trying to continue to bounce it, bounce it, bounce it, bounce it. I talked about this setup earlier, pool of lava plus the lake plus a blue candle. Not sure. We'll see what. Well, first of all, we gotta see what the blue candle holds. Not necessarily liking it as much here, but you can see here we never got the blue candle here, but you can see here lava, blue, and this move back up. Yeah, not seeing anyone say anything on the blue sky uh, server crypt. A little blue candle there from Pasadena on the ES. Little blue candle from Pasadena. Dow trying to come back up. Oh, and we're seeing purple now. Purple nurple. How's everyone else doing out there? I know John's had a great day. I'm having a good day. Ace is having a good day. I'm assuming RJ is having a good day. Sid, have you taken any trades this morning? Antonio, how's your trading going? Ooh, ouch. Sorry to hear that, Sid. You'll rebound. And Q back below 15,800. Excellent, G. Glad to hear that. Got a new low a day here, 15,790 on AQ. 6 straight red candles now on the ES, down to 45.80. And now we're seeing more red on the Dow as well. Nice, Sid. There you go. Oh yeah, futures in my opinion are easier just because you're not having to look for, like you can go long and short without having to pay borrow fees and all that other fun stuff. We're short here on NQ again. I'm late, very late. Bounce back up to my entry. Now I'm red. Ouch. Should have got out when I had a chance. Could have got a $150 win there. Now I'm back to red. Gonna give back this profit once again. Crap. Got within 6 ticks of my target. And now it's stopping me out. Or it's going to. Yep. Man. Own stupidity there. I hesitated in getting in, jumped in, and if I had gotten in right when that candle closed, I would have got my 10 points. And here it comes back down. It only went 5 ticks above my stop, and now it's coming back down. And Dow has fallen now almost 100 points from its high. ES is making new low a day. Look at that. So it stopped me out when a point more now. And now I'm going to hit my target. Wow. 5 minutes from natural gas. I said my own fault. I can't say that other stuff. I could get demonetized. No. Nope, nope, nope. Still pushing down here. We'll be down 34 points now. Nice. Nice crypt. Still heading down. Look at that. 8 straight red candles for ES. And Q had 1 green candle in there. Gold still dropping. Gold still dropping. Platinum dropping big. Copper dropping. Right there, but my copper entry would have bounced up and scared me, but would be working. Ultra Bond also a new low a day. And big pullback on crude oil. You can tell Mr. G is in a ETF trade with natural gas because he's excited about natural gas inventories. Still going down. 15,748. We've dropped 150 points from the high here. I believe it was Mr. G had said about a pump and dump today. See what natural gas inventories do here in 18 seconds. Quick pop, not a huge pop. Must have been close to what I expected. Popping. Not real exciting there. Meanwhile, NQ just continues to die. If I've been in that trade, not gotten stopped out, and followed my plan of using the very top of the wick of the candle as my stop, which would have been a huge stop, 35 points. So I have trouble with that. I would need to go to micros. I can't do at this point. I can't do a 35 point stop on a mini, but be up 41 points. Continuing to fall. Although we had a green candle there in the Dow, and a almost green candle there on ES, but that's continuing to fall now too. Still falling down to 15,727, just a free fall. We're free falling. I'll be up 60 points on that trade. I was muted. Oopsie. Yeah, Dow's still showing strength, not like the other two. I'm not sure how much I just said there. I was totally muted for. The Russells lost 33 points. Lead hogs are having a good day. Dow bouncing back up, 3 straight green candles while everything else is trying to go continue red. So I'm trying to, I wonder if this is just a sell-off after having so many big days or something spooking the market. I don't see any news headlines that's spooking the market. About 20 minutes ago, I love to have it. I mean, I could go short here at any point in time, it seems like, and grab points, but of course, that's exactly where it bounced. ZenQ's trying to break through 15,700. It's at 706. Excuse me 1 second. Bouncing. There we go. Now we're getting some blue coming back in. Or green, I should say. Nice, Sid. Right. It bounced off 700 almost perfectly.
Got back up to 721. Now it's like right in the middle. 712. Right now I'm 2 for 4 just down the commission. They wiped each other out, so I'm down $22.32. That's just the commissions. Hoping for one more trade. That sounds like a lot of fun, Jay. Have a great day, John. So see you tomorrow. Blue candle. Back up to 720. And 25. About to go long with 5 micros. As long as this blue candle holds. So we are gonna switch this chart over to MNQ. There we go. We're in with 5 micros. I gotta set my stop. No, wrong chart. Watch this play out. Stops at the bottom of this candle, which ended up being a 26-point candle. So it's still a hefty stop. Dow, once again, looking like the winner here. As a nice big blue candle, and now that's already up 20 points. There we go. I'm gonna end up being, I'm gonna end up being mad at myself for not taking this in a mini, I bet, but that's okay. We're in at 15,725 even. There we go. This was my setup that I was talking about earlier. Blue candle, lava, lake. Wow, get the Dow going. Dow's going back for its high day. And Q's struggling around its 20 EMA on the 1 minute. Let's see if it can get through it. Are you kidding me? Come on. Dow bouncing off that 20 EMA on the 1. Dow. Not NASDAQ, not Dow, sorry. NASDAQ. Wow. Dow's high day was 35,476, it looks like. And it's back, it's within 30 points of that now. Here comes NQ trying to come back up. See if he can break that 20 on the 1 and get momentum. Oh, ES also set up that same setup. It jumped up by 3 points. Oh, man. Come on, NQ. Give me what I want. Just tell me what I want, what I really, really want. There we go. Come on. There we go. There we go. Still can't get above 35 here. See what it does on this candle. It was not the strong candle I was hoping for. You gotta be kidding me. Come on. 10 minutes left to go in the stream, and it's back down to my entry. Man! Have a good day, Ace. Yep, see you tomorrow. Okay, there we go. There's a bounce back up to green. Nice. There we go. Come on. There we go. There we go. And right back down. Darn it. Okay, right back up. I just got I shouldn't react on every move because NQ is just so bouncy. There we go. That's what I was waiting for. It's a store that competes with Walmart. Ah, down. I don't know. I was trying to figure that out myself. Kind of letting it flow. Think about getting out with 4 and letting one try to run. Struggling at right around 15,740. Pulling back. Ow. Well, that wasn't very nice. Just gave back $100 in profit. Purple candle on the 1. See if it sustains. There we go. It's back up. Really? I'm out. I think it's going to come back down. Those were weak, ended up being weak candles. So I got a tick and a half, I mean a point and a half. I did not expect that to come back down on me like that. And maybe I got out too soon. I don't know. Have a great day, G. And so I made $6 on that trade after commission. Yay. After being up 100. Actually, I was up as much as 130. Definitely expected a better, especially, ES and Dow did much better there than the NQ did. But it is back to green, so I did just try. I chickened out because I didn't want to get back. And there's the purple. So yeah. Now, is it going to come all the way back down to here? Where if my stop will, then, set back down to 700? It might. The reason I got out is I didn't like the way the one looked. It kind of bounced off those bands and looking like it wants to come back down. So I should have took the profit when it was at 100 or even 70. I just thought there was more into the move, and there may still be. Back down to 720. Dow and ES showing. Yes, I mean Dow didn't hit a new high today. It hit 35,505. Watch, if I trade only Dow tomorrow, it's gonna be choppy as heck. And there's the move up. There's the move up I was wanting. So I did chicken out, fortunately. Nice, Sid. So yeah, it's moving up, it's hitting, and then it's just dropping right back down. Stuck in a really tight range over the last 20 minutes, basically. We have reached the end of the line. I want to thank everyone for joining me today. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Try and stay green. And we'll be back here tomorrow, the end of the week, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Have a great day, everybody. We'll talk to you then. Oh, yeah, it ended down $16. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.